Hi students, welcome once again to our IT class. In the last class, we had seen the method to format the heading we had typed in our poem. That is Taj Mahal, right? Today, let's see the formatting of paragraphs. Shall we start our class? Okay, let's start the formatting from the first paragraph. For that, select the first paragraph. Okay. Now, use the Justify tool from the toolbar to align its content in the justified format. We have studied it already, right? Now, use the Format menu for other formatting. Click on Format Paragraph. Then, click on Intents and Spacing. Here, we can see so many sub-options. First option is Intent. You can adjust the intent before text and after text from these options. Can you see what is intent? Do you know about it? Intent means the spacing from the margin. Okay, the text should be started. How much space from the margin? This is the intent. See, clear? Okay. Look, here I have given the intent for the first line. That's why the first line moves a little bit right. Okay, that is as a paragraph. Now we are going to see the other facilities of paragraph window. Next one is borders. Okay, you can give borders to the text by using these different designs. Okay, here we can see so many designs. From that I select this one. Can you say the peculiarity of this design? This will give border only to the top and bottom of the selected text. Let's see. We can give appropriate color to the border and we can also change the width, that is to increase or decrease the thickness of the border also. See, our first paragraph got a beautiful border on the two ends, top and the bottom. Now select the point. Now we will study the next option seen in paragraph window. Again, format and paragraph option. Note that all the formatting of paragraphs is seen in format paragraph window. Here we want to increase the spacing between the paragraphs. So take the option Intents and Spacing and adjust the values in the above paragraph and below paragraph option seen in spacing sub option. After giving necessary values, click on OK. Listen, here we can see a paragraph in the correct order. Our first paragraph is OK, but look at the second paragraph. There is no right arrangement here. Can you say why? This is because we pressed the enter key only while typing these lines. I had mentioned earlier that while typing poems, if you want to go to next line, you have to press the shift key along with the enter key to do the same. This is what happens here. Got the idea? Children, if you don't use the shift key to go to the next line, you can't see any difference while typing the poem, but after formatting only we can understand the difference. Okay, for arranging it suitably, bring the cursor at the end of this line and press the delete key in our keyboard. See, then use the shift and enter key to go to the next line. Okay, do the same for all other lines. So we have adjusted the first paragraph, okay, about the details, then the two paragraphs in the poem also. Now let's see the another facilities of the paragraph window in the format menu. So I again take the paragraph window from the format menu. See, here we can see one more option, that is line spacing. Okay, by using this option we can adjust the spacing between the lines. You have studied it in your previous class. Let's see. See, I give the line spacing as 1.5 lines. See, the spacing between the lines increases. Okay, children, don't forget to save the activities we had done today. Okay. Okay children, today we had studied about the paragraph window seen in the format menu, about the intents and spacing option. We studied to give intent to the paragraphs, then studied the method to give borders, then to give spacing between the lines, and also understood the use of shift key to bring the cursor to the next line while typing a poem. Okay, I hope all of you understood all these portions very well. We will continue our activities in the next class. Thank you for watching.